Most people think using AI means typing one question and getting one answer. That's how beginners use AI. But people who actually benefit from AI use it very differently. They don't treat AI like Google. They treat it like a thinking partner. In this video, I'll show you how people really use AI every day, with practical examples you can copy immediately. This isn't about new tools. This is about smarter usage. AI doesn't replace thinking. It multiplies it. The biggest mistake people make is asking AI shallow questions. They ask things like, write an email, summarize this article, give me ideas. That's not where the real power is. The real power comes when you guide AI step by step. Let's start with how professionals actually use AI for thinking. Instead of asking for answers, they ask AI to ask them questions. For example, instead of saying, help me decide something, they say, ask me 5 questions that will help me think this through. This instantly changes how AI responds. Now AI becomes a thinking partner, not a shortcut machine. Another powerful way people use AI is for clarity. When your thoughts are messy, AI can organize them. People don't wait until they are clear. They dump messy thoughts into AI. They say, my ideas are unorganized. Rewrite this in a clear, logical way. This is how people write better emails, documents, and presentations. Not by writing perfectly, but by refining. Now let's talk about learning. Most people use AI to explain things once. Smart users use AI to teach them slowly. They say, explain this like I'm new. Then, now explain it like I have experience. Then, now give me a real-world example. This layered learning makes AI 10 times more useful. Another everyday use: decision-making. Instead of asking, what should I choose? People ask, list pros and cons for each option. Tell me what someone experienced would consider. What risks am I not seeing? AI becomes a second brain for decisions. Now let's talk about saving time. People who save time with AI don't automate everything. They automate the boring parts. They use AI for drafts, outlines, first versions, checklists. They don't expect perfection. They expect speed. Here's how people use AI for writing. They never ask AI to write the final version. They ask AI to write version 1. Then they edit. This removes writer's block completely. Because fixing is easier than creating from nothing. People also use AI as a reviewer. They say, review this and point out weak areas. Make this clearer. Rewrite this more confidently. This is how average writing becomes professional writing. Another powerful use is role-playing. Instead of asking for advice, people ask AI to play roles. They say, act like a hiring manager. Act like a customer. Act like an expert in this field. Now AI gives perspective, not generic advice. Let's talk about planning. People don't ask AI for full plans. They ask AI to help them think through steps. They say, what would step 1 look like? What mistakes do beginners make? What would an expert focus on first? This prevents overwhelm. Now let's talk about creativity. Most people think AI kills creativity. In reality, it expands it. People use AI to brainstorm variations. They say, give me 10 different angles. Make this more bold. Make this simpler. Make this emotional. AI helps explore ideas faster than thinking alone. Another powerful use is explaining things to others. People paste complex text and say, rewrite this so anyone can understand. Make this sound friendly. Make this sound confident. This is how people communicate better at work. Now let's talk about daily life. People use AI for planning trips, organizing routines, explaining health topics, learning new skills, understanding documents, not perfectly, just efficiently. The key thing to understand is this: AI is not a replacement. It's an amplifier. If your input is shallow, the output will be shallow. If your input is thoughtful, the output is powerful. Here's a simple framework smart users follow. First, dump your thoughts. Second, ask AI to organize them. Third, refine with follow-up questions. This loop is where the magic happens. Another secret: people don't stop after one response. They continue the conversation. They say, go deeper. Give examples. What would you improve? AI improves with context. Now let's talk about mistakes. The biggest mistake is expecting AI to think for you. The second mistake is giving up too early. The third mistake is copying without understanding. People who win with AI stay curious. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. AI is not about answers. It's about acceleration. It helps you think faster, learn faster, and communicate better. If you want to start using AI like a pro, do this. Stop asking one-line questions. Start having conversations. Start guiding it. Start refining. You don't need new tools. You need better usage. And once you understand this, AI becomes something you use every day, not something you try once and forget. If this video helped you see AI differently, there's a lot more to explore. Subscribe if you want to learn how to actually use AI, not just hear about tools. And let me know in the comments, what's one thing you want AI to help you with right now?